Good morning everyone, welcome to my recipe channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Murunga recipe the easiest way possible. You can get all the nutrients from Murunga leaves. These are the ingredients you will need. Of course, Murunga leaves, 2 eggs, red onions chopped, some cumin seeds, or you can get the cumin powder, salt to taste, butter, green chilies, couple of green chilies, and turmeric powder. Now I'm going to start preparing. You first turn on your stove. And let it heat about couple of minutes. First thing you're gonna use is your butter, and let the butter melt. Then you take your cumin, either seed or you can use the cumin powder. Just quarter teaspoon would be good. Now you can see the butter is getting melted. A little bit more cumin probably. Now I'm gonna put my red onions, chopped onions. You can either get the small onions or big red onion. I would recommend getting red onion, small shallots. Some people call shallots, or just red onion, small ones. And let it melt. It's like a half a minute. It's getting really good. You have to have the heat medium. And now you can put your green chili, let it fry just half second. Now you can salt to taste. You would put at this stage. Don't use a lot of salt. So depending on the amount you're using, the amount of leaves. So this is the amount of leaves I'm using. And then last ingredient of the spices would be turmeric. Either you call turmeric or saffron. And you let it fry a little bit. Wait until the onions are golden brown. Now you're gonna use your eggs. 2 eggs would be good enough. Now you can really smell the onions, turmeric, and cumin powder or cumin seed. At this point you can really smell all your spices. For half a minute. The eggs are halfway cooked, and now this is the time you put all your Moringa leaves. It's really tasty and really healthy. I'm sure you have heard of the health benefits of the Moringa leaves. Good for your sugar, good for your blood pressure, and numerous health benefits that is providing better than taking a supplement. This is like full of nutrients, vitamins in this leaves. That's like a superfood considered these days. Moringa leaves is really healthy for you, and it takes only few minutes to make this recipe. Don't let it cook too much, just keep the green on the leaves. At this point, this is ready to eat now. Now I'm gonna turn off my stove and just stir a little bit, not to make it too much cook, and take it out from your heat. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you make a comment and try my recipe and let me know how it is. Have a good day.